All right, welcome traders. This is Patrick from Trading123.net. In today's video, we're going to be trading with the Trading123 AlgoBot, and looks like we just did 3 trades today. Slower day because of the Fed. Summertime trading. Got a couple weeks left of this August here, and then we'll rally into the fall. So here we trading crude oil. Crude ran up here and had a trend change. We're trading 3 contracts, and it sold off, hit our first profit target, second and third hit our max gain goal, and trade's over. We made a nice profit, and we'll bank it and go on to the next trade. That's our one and done with crude oil, and of course later on in the day the thing took off. So, but I only traded for about an hour or so today. So, summertime. So, let's look at the next trade. And we're over in the NQ now. And here, basically the market was doing a reversal and got long. We're trading 3 contracts, hit it first profit target, and then our second and third one got stopped out on this little wick pullback thing here. And we had a larger goal. You know, you always don't hit your goals, so got a little pissed on this pullback, so just took the 420 and called it a day. And then we'll look for another trade in the NQ. So I basically reset the strategy here, and instead of trading 3 contracts, traded 2. This was shortly after the last trade, and the Fed was talking, so didn't really want to trade 3 contracts. And so we let the bot do its thing. It's got its profit targets, it's got its trail stops. We start it right here, it gets short, gets into some profit. And then the trend was down, so it didn't take this long. And then it had another down move, and then a reversal right here. It got long. And again, we get whacked on the stop right here because of the Fed talking. So I just hit the buy button here. It was breaking out. And got some additional profit targets. Then it took a short, and then a long, got stopped. And so it's kind of choppy, so I'm glad we only traded 2 contracts. You gotta be able to read the market, analyze the market, you know, what's going on. As a Fed talk, not a great time to trade. You know, Senate hearings, not a good time to trade. So we're just letting this thing do its thing. And then here we get into some chop. It goes short, some profit targets, and whatever it did here, I can't tell. It hit its profit goal. It went short, then went long, and boom. $600 goal hit, and we call it a day. So all in all, we only did 3 trades with the AlgoBot today. You know, there's days that you trade, and then there's days that you don't. And when the Fed's talking, you got to use caution. And you got to know that as a trader, and you'll learn it. Sure enough, you know, just like I learned trading before the day before holiday. You know, oh, gonna make some money right before the holiday. Turkey Day is the next day, and get in a trade, and then it moves against me, and you know, moved to stop, and a winner turned into a loser, and I didn't really give a hell about turkey dinner. Her wife says, "What's wrong with you?" "Nothing." "Have a bad day?" "No." You know, that happens. That was like 18 years ago. But you never forget it. So that's why you gotta learn from your mistakes and don't repeat them. And that's our 3 trades of the day. And we rounded up over $1,400 on those 3. And we call it a day. We'll come back and do it again tomorrow.